We learned tonight that contrary to news reports, NVIDIA has not received a subpoena from the Justice Department about possible antitrust violations. But we know that Justice is indeed looking into the semi-giant's remarkable strength in its generative AI franchise. Justice is after Apple, too, alleging that the iPhone makers consolidated its monopoly power by keeping its ecosystem fenced in. Oh, and next week, Justice goes to court to fight against Google's alleged monopoly power over digital advertising. With NVIDIA and Apple, we've got a clearer pattern. They've succeeded by making a better product, leaving their competitors behind. And now Justice is coming after them. I'd argue Google no longer has the superior product, but they're still being targeted. If you don't know anything about this business, you might find it suspicious that NVIDIA makes basically 100% of the semiconductors that are used for generative AI, but they have the best products out there, and they have almost the entire market to themselves. Now, NVIDIA was succinct in its response. I'm going to quote, NVIDIA wins on merit as reflected in our benchmark results and value to customers who can choose whatever solution is best for them, end quote. If the government is going after them for publishing benchmarks and winning orders, well, that seems like a terrible overreach to me. Let me add to that. NVIDIA finds itself in the same position as Intel back in the 90s. Intel had the best processors with AMD in a distant second. Back then, Intel had almost 90% of the market, while AMD had about 10. There was no monopoly, just a superior product. Right now, I'd argue that AMD makes excellent chips that come close to NVIDIA's, but aren't there yet, only because NVIDIA keeps advancing the ball. Customers are free to go to AMD, though, if they don't want NVIDIA. But let's be clear, none of this artificial intelligence stuff would exist without NVIDIA's technology. Second, what do the regulators really want NVIDIA to do in this situation? Should they stop making the best chips? Just today, Nature magazine reported that the Clinical Histopathology Imaging Evaluation Foundation, or CHIEF, which uses NVIDIA chips, has been able to identify cancer cells, predict tumor origins, recognize genetic mutations, and forecast survival outcomes, all essential when it comes to diagnosing cancer and coming up with a treatment plan. Does Justice really want them to make dumber chips that can't help try to cure cancer? Because that's really the only way they'll lose their dominant position. Third, can we recognize, just for a moment, recognize that NVIDIA has a high-quality problem? There's a tremendous shortage of its high-end chips. The company has to decide where they go, and obviously it's going to allocate them to customers that do the most business. On Wall Street, everyone accepts that logic. It should be fine for NVIDIA, too. As I see it, this is simply an abuse of power by Justice, not by NVIDIA. How about Apple? They're about to unveil a new phone that should be fabulous, but it'll be too fabulous for Justice? Maybe. They might give Apple even more bargaining power versus app developers if this phone's that good. Inquiring minds don't really care. There are plenty of strong competitors to Apple. You can just go buy a Samsung. There's no smartphone monopoly, so how could there be monopolistic behavior? Finally, next week, Justice goes to court to find some way to stop Google, which Justice claims is, in its brief, abuses its monopoly power to disadvantage website publishers and advertisers who dare to use competing ad tech products in search for higher quality or lower cost matches. According to the brief, Google uses, quote, its dominion over digital advertising technology to funnel more transactions to its own ad tech products, where it extracts inflated fees to line its own pockets at the expense of the advertisers and publishers it purportedly serves, end quote. All right, that's actually somewhat true, which is why their ad tech competitor, the Trade Desk, is now winning over some of the world's biggest advertisers, giving them total transparency and better results than if they stayed in Google's walled garden. I say Justice could save the taxpayers' money by simply dropping this case. Let it go. And let Trade Desk crush Google at its own game, at least when it comes to buying ads on the internet, especially streaming services. Now, Google was recently found to be engaged in anti-competitive behavior when it paid to become the default search engine for Apple. Yeah, they got nailed for this. I get that. They paid in order to have a terrific audience. Of course, Microsoft could have just paid more to make Bing the default search engine. But this new case is more absurd. They're going after Google for a business where they're already starting to lose in the open market. Still, I keep coming back to the Justice Department's obsession with America's best companies to keep doing amazing things. They want these companies punished for developing unbelievably great products. And I think that's insane. Apple and NVIDIA are the good guys. As for Google, when the Trade Desk came out with a better product, they started losing share. I think, really, that's all you need to know. I like to say there's always a bull market somewhere. I promise to try to find it just for you right here on Mad Money. I'm Jim Cramer. See you tomorrow.